And yes, finally, let's thank all these AI tools which have been very helpful for all of us and makes our life easier, solve problems faster, don't have to deal with code and all, right? So we've used ChatGPT, we've used Perplexity, we've used Claude, and we've also used Gamma app to make a presentation as well. So keep using all of these tools, right? So like only when you start using, you will understand how powerful these are and how fast you are able to start using these tools. You will definitely become a better version of yourself, at least in terms of productivity, right? And not only these, there's a lot more to explore. Like for example, Llama 3 is out there publicly. Then Hugging Face, they keep pushing new models all the time as well. So it is a platform where you can find all some latest open source all the models as well. All right, so I hope you had amazing time watching this whole series of Python using AI. That's all. David here, signing off.